In this video, I'll show you how to connect your iPhone to your Brother MFC L2820DW, how to print, and also how to get the scan results from your printer directly on your iPhone. So let's get started right away. The first step is to connect your printer to your Wi-Fi network, the same Wi-Fi network that your iPhone is currently connected to. On the display, we're gonna tap on this Wi-Fi icon on the bottom of the screen. Then you're gonna select Find Wi-Fi Network. You're gonna wait a few seconds. It will scan for all the Wi-Fi networks around the printer. It will give you a list. You can use the arrows to go up and down, and once you find your Wi-Fi network, you simply need to click on it and then press OK. Type the password. If your password has numbers or symbols, you have a small button over here that you can switch between the different keyboards. Once your password has been typed, press OK, and you'll get the connected confirmation that everything is fine. Press OK, and this is it. Alright, once this is done, take your iPhone and we need to download on the App Store the Brother Mobile Connect app. Once you download it, open. This is how the app looks, the main screen. You're going to have all your printers that are connected on the top. If it's the first time you're using this app, obviously you won't have any of these, and you'll have to click on the top right corner to add a printer. Then press Add Machine. Then click on Register Your Machine. Click on your printer. Press Skip. Activate Later. Press Maybe Later. Press Skip. You're going to have the green check mark telling you that the printer has been added to the app. Press Exit Setup. If there is a new firmware available for your printer, it will be shown on the main screen, like over here. You can press OK and it will download and install it for you. I'll press Cancel since this is not the goal of this video. So over here, you're going to have your printer on the top. Now, if you want to print, you have two options, document print or photo print, depending what you intend to print. Let's say I want to, so I'll select the file. It will be presented to you as a preview, but if you click the small cogwheel over here, you'll be able to change a few settings. So you have to input your paper size, how many copies you want. Do you want it to fit on the page? This is a bit weird. Seriously, just leave it off the way it is. You have layout in case, let's say you have multiple pages, you're trying to fit on one single page. Over here we have if you want to print on both sides of the page, if you select two-sided. And then you have quality. By default it's normal. If you want a better quality, select fine. Normal is, I think, the one that you should select for text with some small graphics. But if you're printing anything else like a picture or something with a lot of details, select fine. It will give you obviously better results. And then select pages in case your document has 50 pages, but you just want to print page 1 to 10, you can select them over there. You can go back and at the end, well, make sure that your printer has some paper and press print. You can extend this small flap. Here we go. It comes quite quickly and it looks great. Now let me show you how to scan and get the results on your iPhone. So this printer has two different scanners. Let me show you how to input paper in both of them, and then I'll go on the iPhone and show you how to get the results. So you have a basic scanner. Simply lift this top lid. Take the paper you wish to scan and we're gonna place it facing down. Now we have to connect this corner of the page with this corner, the top left one of the scanner. So bring both until both are touching. Then close and go on the app. Before going there, let me show you how to input paper on the top. So this is an automatic document feeder. That's how it's called, and it's great if you want to scan multiple pages at the same time. The printer will do all the job. So let's say I have these 2 pages I wish to scan. You can even put 30 pages or more over here. That's not an issue. Okay, align them, place them with whatever you want to scan facing up, like that, and with the top part of the document towards the left. Glide until you hear a beep. On the app, you're going to select Scan from the main menu. The printer will detect automatically where the document is located, if it's on the top or on the bottom. You can select if you want the scan to be in color or black and white, the document size, and the resolution. The resolution by default is 300 dpi, but you can go and choose another number if you prefer. The highest the number, the more details your scan will have, and the larger the file will be. At the end, press Scan and just wait. As you see here, the printer is taking page by page. You don't have to touch anything. And the pages are appearing one by one on your smartphone. Here we go. It's quite quick. Now, if one of these pages is not what you expected and you want to delete it, there's an X on the top right corner that you can click to delete it. Press Done. You'll be able to go through them, select one, zoom in, make sure that all the details you want are there. And at the end, on the bottom, you have Share Save. Click on it and you'll be able to share it with your favorite contacts, share it on different apps, Messenger, Notes, emails. Or if you go down, you'll be able to print whatever you have just scanned, or to save it on your iPhone memory for future usage. So if you click Save to File, you'll be able to save it in a specific folder in your iPhone memory. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. This printer is very easy to use, and yeah, with the app, everything can be done in just a few seconds. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and also check my Amazon affiliate links down below if you want to get some ink, some paper, or even a brand new printer. Every time you go through my links, I get a very small commission from Amazon, and it helps my channel. See you in the next video.